my mom called Quadros. She can answer the...
So today I've decided to record myself while making cold calls. And I think...
Hello.
Hi there, Miss Nancy.
Yes, who's it?
Miss Nancy, this is Haseeb. I'm a real estate agent. How are you today?
You're a real estate agent?
That is correct.
Okay, thank you. We're not interested in selling our house.
Oh,
Okay.
I wasn't calling about that. I was just calling to see if you were to do something in the future, if there's an agent that you would work with. Hello? Looks like they hung up. It's all about trying, though. You can't force somebody to be on the phone and listen to you. So I'm using a Mojo dialer. I was previously on Redex, but I hate that ringing noise, that beep, that tone. It's annoying when you're calling for 3-4 hours every day. So I'm on this Mojo. There's no beep, no ring. It has better functionality. Leaves voicemails automatically without any addition. Without any additional cost. I just like it.
Hello?
Hi there, Miss Potter.
No, I'm sorry. You got the wrong number.
Oh, sorry about that. Ma'am, while I have you on the phone, I'm a real estate agent. Anything in the world I can do for you?
No, thank you.
Not a problem, ma'am. If you were to do something in the future, is there an agent that you would work with? Hung up. But hey, any number could be a lead. But you'll never know if you don't try. Today is the 4th of July, by the way. For a lot of people, the American dream is to eat, drink, and just spend the day doing nothing. For me, the American dream is it's an opportunity to work even harder. That's what
Thank you for calling Ruffles Feathers Bird Control.
That's what American dream is, right? If you want to work hard, you have the opportunity. That's what America provides. You want a job? Go get it. You want to become a doctor? Go to school, get admitted. You want to make money driving an Uber? You can do that too. I know a lot of people who make 60 to 80 grand a year driving Uber in San Francisco Bay Area. I choose to be a real estate agent and make calls and build that database. But if you're wondering, I keep things very simple. A pen, a notepad, and I write down people who want me to call them back.
Delta Airlines Aircraft Inspection, there speaking.
Oh, hi there, Mr. Donald.
Delta Airlines Aircraft Inspection.
Oh, I think I got the wrong number. Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That was Delta Airlines. Baggage inspection. Oopsie daisy. But hey, if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video because I will be putting out more content like this. A lot of people... Hello?
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Donald?
No, this is not Mr. Donald.
Oh, I might have got the wrong number. Sir, since I have you on the phone, I'm a real estate agent. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Oh, beautiful, sir. I was just giving a quick call to see if there was anything I could do for you regarding real estate.
Oh, no, I'm not in the position right now.
Oh, that's okay. If you were to do something in the future, is there an agent that you would work with?
And what's your name?
Oh, yes. My name is Haseeb, and I'm with Berkshire Hathaway.
You're who?
Oh, this is Haseeb, and I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway.
Richard Halfway.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well,
Alright, so, and this is, and you're in Florida?
oh no, I'm in Sacramento, California. Are you in Florida?
Oh. No, I'm in Georgia.
Oh, gotcha then. Looks like I must have gotten the wrong number then, sir. Completely wrong.
Yeah, okay, not a problem, man. Thank you.
Well, thank you. I hope you have a great 4th of July.
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
Blessed.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See, it didn't say on the system. The number was still from Sacramento, California, but he lives in Georgia. Even the wrong number, you still have to ask them. Otherwise, you will never know. But what was I saying? Yes. So I look forward to putting out more content like this because a lot of people on YouTube, they talk the talk, but they can't back their talk or they can't walk the walk. I don't want to be one of those few people. I want to be, well, I don't want to be the majority of those people. I want to be that very few who can actually put content out there and show you what I do and how I do it and that I do it. And I'm actually sitting in my home office right now. And I'm well dressed, fully dressed, with a tie on. This is my business. I gotta treat it with respect. And I have to be serious with it. I can't be in a tank top and shorts. If I don't respect my business, if I don't respect myself, how can I respect my clients? It doesn't matter where the world goes.
Hello, this is Craig. Can't answer the phone right now. Talk to you when I can.
Image does matter. First impressions do matter. Unless you're already well established, I still dress nice. I've been in this for some time now.
Hello, please leave a message after the tone.
But I think for today, this is going to be enough. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like that video, share this, subscribe to my channel. And you know, if it gets positive response, I'll put out more content like this. We're done.